with Josiah Ray. I'm going to show you how to find your product key once you've installed Microsoft Office. There's a couple different ways to do this, and you can dig around inside your computer for a little bit, but a quick, easy way is to use something called a key finder. So, I've got this key finder installed. It's a free program, it's very easy to get, and all you have to do is double click on it to start it, and it automatically brings up the programs that it can find and the product keys associated with them. So here you can see Microsoft Office Enterprise 2007 is one of the programs listed. If you click on it, it gives you a little bit of information about it, but it also gives you your CD key. And so you can use this to back up your keys to save them for later in case your computer crashes or something like that, and you can reinstall your software. I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to find your product key once you've installed Microsoft Office. I'm Josiah Ray.